What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. All right, guys, I just want to show you real quick what came in the mail today. But before I do that, check this out. This is the starter letter they sent me. You see that date? July 18, 2019. That's when I got started into this program. And as I said to you guys before, the pandemic hit. All right, folks got sick out at their office and they had to shut it down, and they just came back after being gone from that time. Well, that's a couple years has gone by now. They're back, but I was very successful with this program when it was up and running. But there is my proof there also. All right, that's when I joined, right? Now, let me show you what came in the mail. That's my old sales letter. Just wanted you guys to see that. Now, here's the new one, because I had them go ahead and send me one because I wanted to be able to show you how it looks when it comes in the mail. All right, so it came in this brown envelope. It says CCF Starter Kit. Has my name on it. All right, but they have updated the envelopes now due to the postage. So now it's going to be a white number 10 envelope that you're going to get your starter kit in, okay? All right, and I'm going to show you that in a second on the computer. All right, but here's the starter kit. See, it's dated November 2023. So it came in the mail. And this is how it came. Let's move this one out the way so it doesn't be confusing. So you got this one. It came in the mail. See what it says? Send back this coupon with your license fee and get 144 free leads on peel and stick labels and your own Club Cash Fund flyer to send them. All right, and that's my ID number. I got a new ID number, a new account. All right, so here we are. Now, they've sent in this a self-address envelope. See, it has my name on it. I scratched out my address. Has my ID, so it has a return, your return address on it. See, no stamp is needed, guys. So when you get this in the mail, you don't have to pay for any postage. All right, so you're going to get this envelope, all right? It says Rush. It's got my ID already on it, so they'll know who to pay the commissions to. And let's see. So make sure you go to www.mailboxincomesystem.info. www.mailboxincomesystem.info. All right, get your free kit. So here's the new sales letter. All right, see how it looks here? All right, it says no computer is needed. This is how we're getting hundreds in our mailboxes like clockwork. So you get this page, right? And inside you open it up. Has the ID number on this page also. And they keep saying your name. Your name is everywhere on here, okay? It'll be your name on your sales letter. All right? You're earning $20 commissions over and over. It's only $100 to get started in this program. See right here, get started. $100 you can mail in cash or money order. Put in the enclosed postage paid return envelope. Stick it in the mail, mail it back. Cash could start coming in after 14 days. Depends on how many folks you share this with, right? Because the company's going to mail this out for you with your information on it, all right? When people go to your website that they give you. All right, here's the next page. Okay, and here's the next page. So it's 6 pages in here. Okay, and they answer some of the questions that people may have, right? Then you flip it over. And it's got more information. All right, tells me I'm in position 1 and who's in position 2 and position 3. It's 3 levels. All right, guys. So that's it. Just wanted you to check out the sales letter and what to expect that you're going to get in the mail. All right, so be on the lookout for that. And like I said, it's going to probably be in a number 10 white envelope now. All right, so let's go to the computer and check it out. What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there on this wonderful Wednesday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back on this wonderful Wednesday just to do a quick update for you for Mailbox income system. All right, so I just showed you the sales letter, the sales kit that came in the mail. I reordered mine because my original one, like I said, back in 2019, I had no idea where it was, but I still found it. But anyway, that's how it's going to look when it comes in the mail. Okay, now I'm going to give you, there's some updates I want to give you, but this is what I want to show you real quick before we get to that. All right, so you request your kit, right? You go to www.mailboxincomesystem.info. You're going to come here, right? You're going to see this first. What are you going to see first? You're going to see this first. Go here, put in your information, okay? You want more information so that you can get the sales letter in the mail. You need this so you can get all your details. I'm going to mail this back in, right? I just showed you that information. So enter your info here. It's going to bring you here. Watch this little quick video, 2 minutes. Come down here, fill out your information because they're going to mail you your kit. So you've got to put the right information if you want it. First name, last name, email address. So you can get emails. Okay, you're going to want to get the emails from the company because they're going to tell you when kits are going out, when you've got commissions on the way. Make sure you fill all this stuff out. Suite number, apartment number, etc. Your city, your region. Okay, right here. This is the U.S. only, guys. U.S. only. Okay, U.S. only. Only. See it right here? All right. United States, zip code. Make sure my name is right here so you're filling that out correctly. Come down here, click request your kit. I'm going to receive an email to say, hey, this, you've got a kit or X amount of kits that has been requested because you're in position 1, meaning level 1. That's what that means. Okay, level 1. Somebody went to your page, mailboxincomesystem.info, and requested a kit. Level 1. It'll show me level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay, it'll tell me, so I have to log in my back office, and I can check on that, right? But let me show you this. Check this out. See how this goes? All right. Kits, even up through today, kits are being requested. Okay. And I just want to show you this. Look at the dates to the right. Okay, because I just got back started with this. They just came back on board, right? But look over here. Look at the year, 21, 22. Then it stopped, kind of 22, right in that area. System went down, right? So look at this. I just want y'all to see how this goes. This is what? 1 of 50. I've got tons and pages of this, right? When this thing was kicking butt before the pandemic hit. Okay? So anyway, this is where we are. So see, I will receive an email to tell me, what's going on. All right? And you will be able to receive the same. All right, so let's log into the dashboard. Let's check it out. And I kind of just want to show you some stats here. So here is the dashboard, guys. All right, move this down. See, products, which you do get digital products. I'll show you that in a second. Website, marketing, leads, all your leads, your kits. All right, they'll show you how many kits that have gone out and what level, 1, 2, or 3, right? So right here is the capture page, which is the page where you have to put your name and email in. So it's telling me I've had 228 hits on that page. 8 leads have come in, 3 people have made requests, and then here is the sales page, all right, which we were just on. I'll show you that in a minute. Now this shows me that they have a company rotator, right? So they put you in that rotator. So right here it says 7 hits and 1 lead. All right. So I am in the rotator just as you will be. Your link is going through this rotator. So a lead has come through and they've given me one of those leads because I'm in that rotator. And I'm going to show you that. Hang on a second. All right, I want to cover up this folks' information for privacy protection. So as you can see right here on 11/9, that's today, home page rotator. It tells me which campaign. Okay. See, this person right here on 11/7 requested a kit. It was mailed on 11/8. This person requested a kit today and it was mailed today. But right here it says this second person here, they went straight to the sales page. See, it says skip lead page. All right. So this does work where they put you in the rotator because this particular lead right here from today came from the rotator. Shout out to the team on that. Awesome. Okay, and you'll be able to track your analytics as well. So we've got 9 kits that have gone out. When these people mail in their $100, all right, I'll receive $20 for each person. And that's on 3 levels, guys. Okay. Now, let's look at the products. You may say, well, what do you get? Hang on. All right, you actually have products. Now, there's 2 levels to this program, right? There's a standard level, $100 to get started. Okay, and you earn these $20 commissions. Then there's a pro level. I believe it's $500, and there's a monthly subscription with that, or membership fee with that. But with the $100 standard, right here, here's the 2 products you get. You get this email profits boot camp, and you get dominating with free Facebook strategies. Okay. All right, but you get a back office, guys, as you can see right here. Okay, we just went over that. I don't want to click on this. Shows leads. I just showed you the kits. You can see your team right here. This is team, sales, marketing, which would be those capture pages, like you get this. And then remember, when they opt in, they put their name and email in. It's going to take them to this page right here, right? They're going to watch this 2-minute video. They'll decide from that point, hey, I want more information. I want that sales letter. Okay, so that's when they'd have to go down here, fill out this information, and it will, once they do that, it automatically, the system is going to kick out an email to you to let you know, hey, someone just requested a kit. Okay, level 1, 2, or 3. Okay, guys? All right, so if you want more information and you want to get your kit, make sure you go to the link in the description, www.mailboxincomesystem.info. Check it out. See what it's all about. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.